Hi mga Tran, this is Crystal Q Pakanya and you're watching YouNeilIt's vlog. It's YouNeilIt. You know it, cause I know it. Yeah, I'm back with another vlog. So, for today's video mga Tran, I'll be showing you my skincare routine. So, request din siya ni akong subscriber, ako ang follower, ako ang fan, char. Yeah. So, I'll be showing you my skincare, pero doesn't mean na my skincare will do sa imuha. So, will do sa iyo. So, if ever na you will use my products, char maka my products, na gumagana sa iyo, ha? Ano ba? Tama ba yun? If you will use the product the same sa aking ginamit at gumanda ka, so it means effective yung mga ginagamit ko. So, but before that, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to click the bell button to receive notification for my next upcoming videos. Let's get started! So the first thing to do before putting some skincare, so we need to wash our face. So I'm using this foam cleanser by Cathy Dahl. So ang nag-recommend dito sa akin is si Inway, my BFF. Siya yung nag-recommend sa akin, guys. And actually di ako nagpi-pimples, di lumalabas na yung pimples ko pag gumagamit ako dito. Pero di ako always gumagamit ito. Sometimes lang, pero if my time, ito yung ginagamit ko. Actually, I'm currently using this sabon. Saan ba yun? 8 lang. I don't know if familiar ba kayo nito. Kadinang ginto na sabon by Skin Magical. Tama ba? I don't know if familiar kayo yan. Okay lang naman. Nagpipinkish yung skin ko. Pero, oh my gosh, it's so freaking hot. But, wait lang. But, if you feel na madumi yung skin nyo, much better na gumamit kayo ng foam cleanser na katulad nito by Cathy Dahl. Kasi mas nakiklean niya yung face nyo kaysa sa mga bar soap. So, let's clean our face using this cleanser. Let's go. So, kakabasa ko lang sa mukha ko, guys. Char. Hitsuraan, so I'll put the foam cleanser sa mukha ko. And let's do the massage. Ayan. Na-try ko na tong na-taste. I did not expect na ma-taste ko siya and it tastes sweet. Yeah, it tastes sweet yun. Siguro no, pag gumagamit tayo ng mga skincare, siguro sweet talaga lahat. Or I mean, not all, pero yung iba sweet talaga. Kasi parang yung skincare is parang food yan sa ating skin, kaya siguro matamis. I'm not sure. Feel ko lang. So, ayan. So, leave it for at least 1 minute. So, i-rinse ko muna yung face ko, mga Hitsuraan. So, yeah, I'm done rinsing my face. I recommend you to use paper towels, mga Hitsuraan. Kasi, pag gumagamit kasi kayo ng towel na facial towel, nag-leave kasi yan ng bacteria after nyo gamitin. So, much prefer using paper towels. Kasi, after you use this, tapon nyo na lang kaagad. So, the first step to do, the second step na pala tayo. Ang init. So yeah. So the second step is putting some toner. So I'm using this whitening toner by Glow-Tassi. So actually matagal na akong di nakagamit nito. I usually use the Skinol. Ito yung ginagamit ko always, and gusto ko namang matry ito. So let's just drop it and then softly just tap your face. Ganyan lang ka-soft mga Hitsuraan, kasi alam niyo na di pa tayo maganda tas grabe pa kayo makaganyan. Dapat soft lang talaga. Oh my god, I hate this cotton pad. So yan, ano siya mga Hitsuraan, maganda siya sa skin nyo kasi may whitening effect na siya at anti-aging, and plus may glutathione at vitamin C na siya. Disclaimer lang po, I'm not a beauty vlogger, char. After nyo mag-put ng toner mga Hitsuraan, don't forget to make it dry before putting some next skin product. So just do the same. So follow nyo lang kung ano ginawa ko. Sabi ng friend ko, much better daw i-ganon nyo daw sa skin nyo yung product para daw mas mabilis siyang umeffect. Iwan ko lang if totoo. So ginaya ko na lang siya. So ayan, it's dry na. So I'm currently using this Body Mist Protective and Revive by Fresh Skin Love. So I love this product. Super. So just spray at least 2 to 3. Pero ikaw, depende na sa'yo. 2 to 3. Then don't forget to make it dry. Ayan. Soft lang sa pag-tap ng face niya mga Hitsuraan. If you heard something, mga workmates ko yan. So next, I'm using this Soothing Gel Lotion by Fresh Skin Love, and it has 98% tomato, and if you want to achieve a glass skin, so try nyo to. Before, I used the Jejo aloe vera ice. Tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong. Same lang sila. Kahit anong moisturizer or soothing gel mga Hitsuraan. Ganyan. Narinig nyo may naghuhugas. So yeah, massage lang yung face niyo into circular motion. And then don't forget to put under your face and to your neck, to the back of your neck. Kasi iba naman ang puti yung mukha nyo, tas yung leeg nyo itim. And after nyo mag-massage, like so glowy na my face, don't forget to make it dry. So dry na yung face ko mga Hitsuraan, pero look how glowy is my face. Ang sarap niya mga Hitsuraan, especially when it's refrigerated. Sleeping Pack by Fresh Skin Love pa rin mga Hitsuraan. The tomato glass skin. Sana all glass skin. So naka-indicate dito na 1 to 2 per week lang daw. Once or twice a week. So hindi ko to always ginagamit. Nag-follow lang tayo ng instruction chart. So kunti lang yung lalagay natin. Ganyan. And by the way, I'll update you tomorrow morning when I woke up kung anong itsura ko. Char. If fresh pa ba ako? If anong mangyayari sa mukha ko after putting these products in my face. So gently massage your face, mga charrrr. Don't forget your neck. So yan. So yan na yung skincare routine ko every night mga charrrr before I go to sleep. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If meron kayong gustong ipapagawa sa akin na mga challenges mga charrrr, just comment down below. If gusto mong ma-shoutout sa next vlog ko, just comment with a hashtag shoutout me Hitsuraan. Shout out me Hitsuraan. Good morning my Hitsuraan. So here's my skin and look what happened. Still glowing. Pero may part dito na nag-peel, sleeping tap, yung nakapapil sa kanan. Tapos my nose too na part. Sa may nose na part, meron din nag-peel dito. Pero kunti lang. And yeah, pretty pa rin. Charrrr. This is Crystal Q pa kanya saying naka-salt and water lang to. Bye! Thank you for watching.